Hello and welcome to this week's episode of the Shamir Shell Project. We are out and about with the Nature Kicks Hikers Club today, and we are in a stunning place. This is a huge walk that we're going to do today. Well, it's long. It's going to be about 10 miles, and we are doing the length and back down, so north and south of the Epping Forest. It's going to be beautiful. It's a glorious day. The sun shining, and it's pristine blue skies. So there's a few who are not going to be here today, but many are, and it's going to be fantastic. I think it's going to be a great experience for those who are going to be here. Watch out, massive log in the way.
No, shisha.
Cow shit. Oh. Ah. How beautiful is this place? Some very old trees and old forests. I love Epping Forest. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Look at this.
It's not high curb, no, that's the thing. It's not high curb, Are you not practicing? You don't dictate about what you do. That I took the West, right? And I told him that I wanted to cover for my
It's not that difficult. And you've got a stick in the wrong hand. That's the problem. It should be on the other side. There's some huge trees here, I'll tell you that. Some very old trees. This is an old forest, and sections of it is ancient. I have mountain biked parts of this forest, the Epping Forest. I have mountain biked quite a few parts of it, but it's amazing when you walk how much more you get to see, how much more you get to see in terms of the nature, and how much more you get to see in terms of the trails, because on a lot of the mountain biking trails you can't actually walk on them, and likewise on some of the walking trails you can't mountain bike on them or cycle on them, and so you get to see a lot more by walking in certain sections, whereby, you know, previously on a bike I've just been zipping past, just trying to do a few laps and get around the forest. But it's still amazing whichever way you do it, cycling, hiking, it's absolutely beautiful. The group's enjoying, they're loving it. Obviously quite a few people haven't come because of circumstances, and then there's a few new people who've joined who I still need to do a call with and find out a little bit more about their goals and about them. But I hope you've enjoyed this adventure so far. It's pretty fantastic.
Done, Princess, you've done it!
Oh.
Look. Look. Look at the size of this tree. Massive. We had deer crossing across there, 2 of them, and look at the size of this tree. Oh wow, that is incredible. Incredible. And the deer that just ran across here, absolutely beautiful. Wow. Well, some of the members from the Hikers Club just said that's the closest they've actually been to deer in the wild. I've seen them a bit closer, especially the muntjac, because they are very daring, but the other deer don't come that close, and that's the closest they've seen them. Pretty incredible, I think. There's a whole group of deer just there. I'm trying to approach them really slowly. They were right there. There's about 5 or 6 of them. There they are. I'm sure you can't see them on camera. Oh, there they are. There they are. Just there. Just there. Oh, there comes another. In between the trees, right there. There they are. There's 3 of them. There's 3 of them just there. Wow, that is really cool. Well folks, that's the end of the 10-mile hike deep into north and south and east and west of Epping Forest. It's been beautiful, glorious sunshine. I've really enjoyed it. The rest of them absolutely loved it. We saw some deer, we saw lots of swamps, a couple of lakes, beautiful woodlands and forests, lovely trees. What more can you ask for? Anyway, if you've got to the end of the video and you're new to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, it just supports the channel, and I will see you on the next one.